And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV, Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a quick video tour this morning of this 2021 33 RKS Bighorn Traveler. It's a rear kitchen, beautiful coach. Let's take a look. So we're going to start here on the outside of the coach. One of the first things you're going to notice is this large fiberglass front cap. It's a solid front cap with LED lighting all around the coach. You've got access to the basement storage right here in the front of the coach, which is a unique new design for 2021. It allows you access to your storage from the front of the coach or either side of the coach. You've got a full basement area here, so you've got obviously a lot of storage. Coming around to the side, we've got the outside electric awning, outside speakers, access to install an outside television. You've got 6-point hydraulic leveling system, pre-wired for backup here on the back, receiver hitch for the bike rack, kayaks, whatever you've got going on there. This is a 4-season residential fifth wheel, so the underbelly is not only sealed, but it's heated as well. Your docking station is here in the enclosed compartment area, which is also heated. So when you're running that furnace, you've got items here in the basement area. It's heated. Easy access for serviceability. They just do a really clean job. So coming inside, you're going to notice the nice new large steps with the nice full grab handle coming in. Off here to the left, we've got the rear kitchen. This is a fabulous kitchen. It's got a 4-door residential refrigerator with a large pantry, a nice breakfast nook, large double sink with solid surface countertops. You've got the large residential style stove and oven. Again, we've got the microwave convection, and it is a residential size. Lots of storage here in the kitchen area. We're going to have a mid-living area here, so you're going to have the two opposing couches that do make into beds. You've got the theater seating facing directly at the television and fireplace. That fireplace does work as a heater, electric of course. There's lots of storage here in the 2 slide outs. You've got overhead cabinets, and above the TV you've got a nice set of overhead cabinets. Coming up the stairs, you've got a grab handle here to the right. You've got a window in the hallway to allow that light to come in so it's not a dark dungeon as you're coming up the hallway. Going into the bathroom, we've got a walk-in one-piece fiberglass shower with a porcelain toilet, nice countertop area, plenty of storage for toiletry items, towels, etc., medicine cabinet, storage underneath the sink. Just storage galore in this coach. Let's take a look in the bedroom. Set up for washer dryer. It's already got the TV. You've got a dresser drawer set up. King size bed with storage under the bed. Opposing windows that open so you can get cross-air ventilation. And 2 windows on this passenger side wall. So you've got a lot of light coming in here, and it allows a lot of air. This is going to have the nice air conditioning, ducted system. We've got no carpet except for on these 2 slides. Other than that, it is a carpetless coach. Large furnace. Again, residential coach, ready for full-time living. And thank you again for your time this morning. We do appreciate it. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, please feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010. If you come in, please ask for Ron McGowan. Thank you and have a great day.